Very good evening to all of you, beta. We are going to do quick revision of chemical reaction, beta. But in this chapter, what is very important, beta, you have to keep these big notes which I have given to you. Okay. And in big notes, beta, you have to keep before studying this chapter, what should be your approach, beta? First, you should know valency and also you can do the compound formation, and then you should know few basic things. Okay. Now, what are these few basic things which you should know, beta? In examiner, beta, what all question they will ask, like they will ask you which are the neutral gases, which are the neutral gases. So you all should know which are the neutral gases. Acidic gas, basic gas, amphoteric oxide, all those type of things they will ask. So what all thing first you will remember, beta. Now, how to decide a nature of a gas? Now, let me tell you first thing, beta. If I given you any gas or oxide, suppose, beta, if I given you this gas, carbon dioxide, whether it is acidic or basic, we have to decide. So if I want to decide whether it is acidic or basic, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it react with water. Any gas, when you take, beta, if you dissolve in water and if it forms acid, now it has formed acid or not, tell me. Therefore, this is acidic gas. Which gas? Acidic gas. Clear? Suppose, beta, if I give you SO2, beta, SO2, if you dissolve in water, will it form acid or not? Tell me. Oh, yes, it forms an acid. So, therefore, it is what, beta? Acidic gas. Okay. Suppose if I given you NO2, if you dissolve in water, then what it will form? It will form nitric acid or not? Tell me, right? Therefore, these gases are what? Acidic gas. And all these are oxides of non-metal. Generally, non-metal oxides are acidic. So if in an exam, if I tell you which are the acidic gas, so any gas which I dissolve in water and if it forms an acid, okay, then it is acidic gas. Clear? Okay. Now, if I take any metal oxide, what is a base? Beta, base means what? Beta, anything which has OH. Base means what? Beta, anything which has OH. Okay. चलो बेटा मैं तुमको बताता एसिड नाम सुना है आप लोगों ने बेटा एसिड ओके HCl is an acid, HNO3 is an acid, okay, कार्बोनिक एसिड एसिड में सब में H होता है बेटा sulfurous acid, all these are acid. Now, those who have joined now, beta, you will keep my big notes. Okay, those who have joined now, please keep my big notes ready.
So the one with many pages in
Yeah,
them.
yeah, 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 big colorful notes, and in that also you will keep last page ready. Okay, acid means what, beta? Anything which has H, beta. Can you see this, beta? These are acids or not? Tell me. Similarly, what are base? Base means which has OH. So NaOH is a base, KOH is a base, right, beta? Calcium hydroxide is a base, right? Magnesium hydroxide, these are base. And the base which is soluble in water, we call it as alkali. So this is alkali. Alkali means what? Any base which is soluble in water, we call it as alkali. Now in exam, first thing what they will ask, they will give you any compound and they will tell you whether it is acidic or basic. So what you have to do? Suppose if I tell you, okay, carbon dioxide, whether it is acidic or basic. So any gas, beta, if you want to find the nature, add water to it. अगर उसने acid बनाया, therefore it is acidic. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड को पानी में डालेगा तो एसिड बनेगा ना बेटा, therefore it is acidic. NO2 if I dissolve in water it form acid, therefore it is acidic. So which are acidic gases? CO2, SO2, NO2. Generally non-metal oxide are acidic. Similarly, they will ask you which are basic gas. So beta, similarly basic compounds. So basic compound means what? Any compound, any oxide. If I given to you, add water to it. Add what? Water. K2O ko if I add water. Calcium oxide ko if I add water. Tell me. So what it is forming? Any OH है कि नहीं? Potassium it is OH or not? Tell me. Calcium hydro OH है ना बेटा? So all these are base or not? Therefore all these oxides are what? Basic. They are what? Basic. Now beta, if I give you this carbon monoxide, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, if you add water to this, they won't form anything. They won't form anything, beta. So beta, they don't form anything means what? They neither form acid nor they form base. Therefore, they are which gases? Neutral oxide. They are what? Neutral. So, beta, how to find whether it is acidic, basic, or neutral? Add water to it. Add water to it. If it forms after adding water, if it forms acid, therefore it will be acidic. After adding water, if it forms acid, then it is acidic. After adding water, if it is acid, then it is acidic. After adding water, if it forms base. After adding water, if it forms base, therefore all these oxide are basic.
Base.
Af- After adding water, if it is not forming anything, therefore it will be what? Neutral. Clear. So now if you see my big notes, beta, what is the first thing given? Can you see? Tell me, beta. Hey, all these are which gas? Come on. H2N2. We did just now CONO. All these are what? Neutral. Why? Because if you will add this to water, they won't form acid nor they will form base. Hey, these are acidic or not? Tell me, beta. We did just now, na, beta? So you should by heart for this. These are acidic gas. CO2, SO2, NO2, NO2, right, beta? HCl, all these are acidic. Now this, all this important thing also you should remember. NO2 का कलर क्या है? Reddish brown. If I say chlorine, what is the color? Greenish yellow. Suppose if in exam, if I tell you, write a reaction of greenish yellow gas, then what should come to your mind? Chlorine gas. Suppose if write a reaction of reddish brown gas, then which gas should come to your mind? NO2. If I say write a reaction of Rotanex smell, then what should come to your mind? Hydrogen sulfide. Clear? Now, beta, we did this right now. Look, beta. I did this or not? Acidic oxide. This all are acidic or not? Then this we did. These are what? Basic or not? Tell me. Because if I add water to it, it will form base. It will form what? Base. Now, acidic, basic, and neutral we have done. Only basic gas in your syllabus. Only basic gas in your syllabus is which one? Basic gas, huh? I'm talking ammonia. It is the only basic gas. Suppose if I tell you write a reaction in which basic gas is formed means what you have to write? You have to write formation of ammonia. We have done in hydrogen also, beta. Remember, beta? Used to get ammonia. Why this is called basic gas? Because if I add water to it, if it forms base, it forms what? Base. Therefore, it is basic gas. Therefore, it is what, beta? Basic gas. Clear? Right. Okay. Then which one you are supposed to remember in this? Amphoteric. Look, beta, we did all this also. Neutral also we did. Now, what do you have to remember? Amphibia. Have you heard the word amphibia? Amphibia means dual character. So it is derived from the word amphibia means like frog can live on land as well as in water. So these oxide, there are three of them. How to remember them? Three of them are there. Okay, one more you'll add here, beta. Lead oxide. So how to remember amphoteric? Amphoteric means what? It can act as acid as well as base. How to remember Janabe Ali in pub? Janabe Ali in pub means what? Zinc oxide. Ali means aluminium oxide. Pub means lead oxide. So these are amphoteric. Is this clear? Please write this PBO there. Those who have not written. In fact, you can remember this also. For amphoteric, what is the trick? Janabe Ali in pub. Clear? Any difficulty till here? Right? Okay. So look बेटा क्या क्या आपको बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे याद रखना है ऑन दिस लास्ट पेज ऑफ द बिग नोट्स. तो ये एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड पे ऐसा स्टार बना दो. न्यूट्रल ऑक्साइड वी डिड ना राइट नाउ. Because why they are neutral? Because if you add water to it, nothing will form. Then this basic oxide, then this acidic oxide. Clear? Then what you will do, beta? Hello. Okay. Then you have to remember this above one. Which are the neutral gases? All these are neutral gas. Which is the acidic gas? Which is the basic gas? What is alkali? Water soluble base are alkali. Anything which has OH is base, but if it is soluble in water, we call it as alkali. Then this, what is the color of NO2? Reddish brown. What is the color of chlorine? Greenish yellow. What is the smell of hydrogen sulfide? Rotanex smell. This is very important before doing the chapter. Clear? Right? Now, what are strong acid? HCl, HNO3, H2SO4 are strong acid. Which are weak acid? This H2CO3, carbonic acid, it is a weak. Sulfurous, phosphoric, nitrous, Chatrico is acetic acid. These are weak acid. These are weak acid. Then what else you will remember? Look, this you have to remember. Generally, copper 2 plus salt are which color? Blue. What is the color of copper oxide? Black. What is the color of copper carbonate? Greenish. Okay, this is very important. This you have to remember, beta. Fe2 plus salt is dirty green. Fe3 plus salt is reddish brown. Color by heart करना पड़ेगा. Lead oxide is buff yellow. Okay, this is very very important. Zinc oxide. Name a recipe which is yellow when hot, white when cold. Yellow when hot, white when cold. Then it is what beta? Zinc oxide. If I say beta, yellow non-metal. Yeah, so mercuric oxide is which color? Orange red. Chromic oxide, green color. Ammonium dichromate, orange color. If I say yellow non-metal, then what should come to your mind? Sulfur. If I say reddish brown liquid, then bromine. Reddish brown liquid. Reddish brown vapors were of NO2. Whenever I say beta ammonium chloride, then what should come to your mind? Dense white fumes. Clear. Okay. Right. नाउ इतना पहले आप अच्छे से याद रखो. नाउ अभी आपको मैं बता देता हूँ बेटा व्हाट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. बेटा यू नो रिमेंबर एनी मेटल विच हैज वैलेंसी वन वी कॉल देम एज व्हाट बेटा? मोनोवैलेंट. मोनोवैलेंट. तो मोनोवैलेंट कौन कौन होगा? मोनोवैलेंट एलिमेंट मेटल. Sodium, valence is 1, potassium. Right, beta? So these are monovalent, beta. Monovalent generally will use sodium, potassium. If I say divalent, divalent means what? Magnesium, calcium, zinc. All these are what, beta? They have two valency, divalent. ठीक है? Trivalent, whenever I say beta, trivalent is what, beta? Aluminium. Generally, we will take aluminium. Metal, huh? These all are metal. Clear. These all are metal. Okay. Right. Now, how many type of reaction are there? Okay. How many type of reaction are there, beta? We are going to study, beta. First is what, beta? Acha, suppose if I write this A plus B, I get AB.
Combination.
How many product is there? Only one product. So it is
Combination.
combination. Only one product means combination. Now, if you see this, beta, if I write this, A क्या करेगा? B को लात मार देगा. So it will what? You will
Displacement.
get AC plus B. That is what? Displace.
Displacement.
Very good. Now, third reaction. Okay. In third beta, what I'm going to do, my compound is there AB. It breaks and it gives me A plus B. Okay. It breaks to give you A plus B. Now this is happening by when I supply heat. I supply heat. This is happening, it will give you A plus B when same beta. AB I have taken, it is given. Now here what I have done, I am supplying here sunlight. And here I am passing electric current. So beta, now tell me beta, one reactant is giving many products, so it is decomposition or not? Tell me, things are getting decomposed or not? So it is decomposition. Now in this decomposition, what I have supplied? Heat. So it is with decomposition. Heat को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? बोलो. Thermal decomposition. If decomposition means breaking, if decomposition is taking place, By passing heat, we call it as thermal decomposition. If I do decomposition by passing light, then we call it as photolysis or photolytic decomposition. Clear? If I pass electric current, then what it will be known as?
Electrolysis or electrolytic decomposition.
Very good. Electrolytic decomposition or electrolysis. Okay, double decomposition we'll do later on. Today we are going to try to cover only two, huh, beta? We'll not be able to cover all. Okay, but I want you to perfect in what, beta? What type of question they will ask. So now look, if I'm an exam, the first I'll teach you. Now, beta, you directly come to the first page of my big notes. First page of my big notes. फर्स्ट पेज फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ बिग नोट्स में आपको क्या हेडिंग दिखाई दे रहा है टेल मी बेटा फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ माय बिग कलर्ड नोट्स व्हिच आई गेव यू कम ऑन व्हाट इज द हेडिंग
Combination.
so acha if you see in all in the, only in this entire first page if you see how many product you can see only one product or not tell me अरे देखना a plus b तो ये कॉम्बिनेशन हो रहा है कंबाइनिंग थिंग्स आर कंबाइनिंग और नॉट टेल मी सो इट इज विच रिएक्शन कॉम्बिनेशन पूरे पेज में देखो बेटा ये फर्स्ट पेज में पूरे में क्या मिल रहा है कॉम्बिनेशन है दिखाई दे रहा है ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट ओनली वन प्रोडक्ट कैन यू से ओके डू वन मोर थिंग गो टू द सेकेंड पेज नाउ सी ऑन द प्रोडक्ट साइड हाउ मेनी प्रोडक्ट इज देयर हाउ मेनी प्रोडक्ट आर देयर
One.
वन सो ऑल दीज आर व्हाट बेटा combination reaction. Now try to come to the third page. First try to understand. Now in third page also you see how many product is there? Only one product or not? Tell me. One product, one product, one product, one product. So all these are what beta? Combination. Now as an examiner, what type of question I'll ask you beta? Listen carefully. I'll ask you one simple question. Chalo beta. You have to answer me. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Now look here, beta. Write a reaction between monovalent atom, monovalent metal element, okay, plus greenish yellow gas. So now tell me, beta, who is monovalent element? Any even you can take, beta. What was our monovalent?
Potassium.
मोनो भाई मोनो कौन था
So potassium.
sodium potassium anything suppose if I take sodium so what I'll write here Na which was the greenish yellow gas
Chlorine.
chlorine very good so I have to write chlorine sodium and chlorine will react because sodium valence is 1 plus chlorine is 1 minus so what I'm going to get NaCl or not tell me right so examiner will not tell sodium plus chlorine he will say monovalent element plus greenish yellow gas. Are you getting it? Now I need to balance this. Yesterday we have done, na beta. This you have to write 2 and here it will be 2. Is this clear? Bolo. Therefore, you need to know
Yes,
the
sir.
color. Suppose if I tell you, beta, trivalent metal, trivalent element plus greenish yellow gas, then what you'll do? Which reaction trivalent में कौन लोगे आप बेटा? Who was
Aluminium.
trivalent? Aluminium. Okay. Aluminium plus chlorine. So aluminium valence is how much? 3. Chlorine is how much? 1. So what you'll get? Come on. AlCl3. Are you getting it? Clear? Right. So for balancing, I'll put here 2, 2 and here 3. Similarly, beta, Fe show variable valency. So I can write Fe also. Fe plus chlorine will give me what? FeCl3. Here Fe is trivalent, beta. Clear how to write combination reaction. Now, chalo, beta. If I tell you, write a combination reaction. Neutral, okay? Listen carefully. Combination reaction between neutral gas plus neutral gas to give you neutral liquid. Who is neutral liquid?
Water.
Water. Right now, beta, and I'm taking neutral gas.
H2 plus
So,
O2.
so water means, so we have to write H2O. So neutral gas is what? Hydrogen. Who was another? इसमें hydrogen oxygen है ना बेटा, right? So we'll write this. Balancing now. Clear neutral gas plus neutral gas gives you neutral liquid. Now this reaction is exothermic. Exothermic means what will happen beta from here?
It
Heat.
gives out heat.
We write plus triangle. Yeah. So look, beta, if you don't know this neutral liquid, will you be able to write the reaction? No. So you should know these few basic things, right? Suppose, beta, if I tell you write a reaction between, hydrogen and greenish yellow gas. So greenish yellow gas means chlorine. To give you acidic gas. So HCl is acidic or not? Tell me, beta. Now in this reaction, beta, you have to use sunlight, diffuse sunlight. Diffuse sunlight. I cannot use direct sunlight. Why? If you use direct sunlight, the reaction will become explosive. Reaction will become explosive. Now, suppose, beta, if I give you this reaction, write a combination reaction which forms basic gas, which forms basic gas. Come on. So, what you'll do? Who is the basic gas in your entire syllabus? Only
Ammonia.
basic gas last page पे बताया था तो you the examiner will not say ammonia, he will say basic. So what you have to write? Ammonia. अच्छा अमोनिया के लिए तेरे को कौन कौन चाहिए बोलो बेटा? और ये रिएक्शन रिवर्सिबल होता है बेटा. फॉर अमोनिया व्हाट which all element will require? Come on, कौन कौन दिख रहा है यहाँ पे? नाइट्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन और नॉट? टेल मी. So what you will write? Nitrogen plus hydrogen. Now beta, in this reaction you have to mention everything. For balancing I'll put here 2, here it will come 3. So this is the basic gas. Are you getting it, beta? Hello. Right? Now in this reaction, beta, we'll have to mention everything. Temperature, pressure. Then you'll say, sir, ये सब reaction कहाँ है? तो बेटा ये बड़े बुकलेट में मैं जो इंपॉर्टेंट बोल रहा हूँ ना जिसपे स्टार मार्क करूंगा वो आप अच्छे से पढ़ना बेटा. आई वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू बेटा कम टू पेज नंबर 3. पेज नंबर 3 में बेटा देखो बेटा I have written everything. Can you see beta this reaction will mark it important. Neutral gas plus neutral gas give you neutral liquid and plus triangle means this reaction is exothermic. Then beta I just now I did this. Neutral gas plus neutral gas gives you basic gas. For this reaction what is the temperature? You'll have to write the temperature 450 to 500. What was the pressure? 200 to 900. Exam में पूछेगा who is the catalyst? Finally divided Fe. Then beta here you have to remember who is the promoter. Please write it. Promoter.
Molybdenum.
MO molybdenum. Molybdenum. Is this clear? And what was the name of this process? Haber's process. This reaction is also exothermic. Can you see this? Right. Now what is catalyst? Catalyst increases
Speed of the
of.
reaction.
What is promoter? It increases efficiency of catalyst. They will ask, so what is the catalyst? It is a substance which increases the rate of reaction. What is promoter? It increases efficiency of catalyst. Then,
So it makes it faster.
now then beta, I taught you this also beta. Look, hydrogen plus chlorine. Can you see? You get what? Acidic gas or not? Tell me. What is the condition in this? We have to use diffuse sunlight. Why the reaction cannot be done in direct sunlight? Because in direct sunlight, the reaction will become explosive. Who is the catalyst in this reaction?
Moisture.
Now beta, if I tell you beta, write a combination reaction between a basic gas and acidic gas. Basic gas and acidic gas. Come on. Who is the basic gas? Only basic gas in your syllabus is?
Ammonia.
Ammonia. Acidic gas में HCl ले लूंगा. तो what I'll get? Tell me बेटा. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium valence is 1 plus. Chloride is 1 minus. So what I'll get? Ammonium chloride. अच्छा बेटा, whenever ammonium chloride is formed, beta, so this was of my acetic gas is a ammonium dense white fumes. You'll get what? Dense white fume. Clear? Right? Any difficulty till here? Okay? So now you'll say, so where is this reaction given? So look, it is given here. Okay, in exam they can tell you to write observation also. What happens when ammonia reacts with HCl? So you'll say dense white fumes. Okay, of ammonium chloride will be formed. Any difficulty till here? Tell me. So this is all about what your combination. अच्छा बेटा, combination में they will say write a combination reaction in which weak acid is formed. Today we studied weak acid or not? Tell me. Are in the beginning only we did today. Write a combination reaction in which weak acid. Which are the weak acid? Tell me, beta. Carbonic acid is weak. Right, beta? Sulfurous acid is
Nitric
weak.
acid.
Yeah, nitric acid also. Phosphoric acid is also weak. Right, beta? So what do you...
Acetic acid.
Yeah. But no, only these three have to remember. So carbon dioxide plus water. So you'll get carbonic acid or not. It is a combination. Only one product you are getting it or not. Tell me, beta. Hello. You're getting one product or not? Tell me. So all these are what, beta? So out of this, any one reaction you can write. Weak acid. Clear. Addition reaction is also called as synthesis if both are element. If both are element. Now suppose if I tell you write a combination reaction in which gives you strong alkali. Who is strong alkali? Alkali means water soluble base. So who is water soluble base? Tell me, beta, who was water soluble base? Hello. Arey, we have done, na, beta? NaOH. So how you will get NaOH? Strong alkali. So what do you have to do, beta? Arey, take its oxide and dissolve in water. You get strong alkali. If I tell you write a combination reaction in which you get weak alkali. So which was weak alkali? Arey, I have given on that last page, beta, all of you. So I'm going to take calcium oxide plus water. So I'll get what? Weak alkali. So look, now you'll say, so where all this thing is given? So look, beta. I have given everything here, beta. Can you see this? Come to the first page of big chart. Look, beta. Look, can you see I've written all this divalent and all. Now look, beta, here. Can you see all these were weak alkali or not? Tell me. Weak acid. Are just now we did, na, beta? Hello. This were for weak acid. If this is strong alkali, so look. If this is weak alkali, are you getting it? Right. Okay. Now, if they say wait, this also we did on a divalent metal, divalent neutral gas, right? Okay. Now, beta, what is the valency of aluminum? Now, calcium. Calcium valence is how much? 2. Nitrogen valence is how much? 3. So, what formula I will get? Tell me. अरे बोलो calcium nitride. अरे this is nitride. This is calcium. Therefore, valency you should know, na beta. So this is calcium nitride. 3 will come here, 2 will go here. Are you getting it? If I say aluminium plus nitrogen, aluminium is trivalent. So aluminium valence is 3. Nitride is also 3. So this 3 will get cancelled or not? Tell me. Right? Aluminium nitride. All these are combination. Can you see only one product you are getting? Now in this beta, this is their very famous favorite question. This Fe plus chlorine, you will always get FeCl3, not FeCl2. You will always get FeCl3. Trivalent metal and greenish yellow gas. Can you see trivalent metal and greenish yellow gas? Clear. Now suppose beta, if I tell you beta, write a reaction between Fe and yellow non-metal. Yellow non-metal means what should come to your mind? Who was yellow non-metal? Sulfur. So what you are going to do? Fe plus sulfur. Can you see this yellow non-metal? Therefore, I have written here only. You get FeS. Combination reaction. Is this clear about combination reaction, beta? All of you. So all these are combination, beta. Only one product. Now, last reaction for today. Now we are going to do what, beta? Next was what? Displacement. In displacement, beta, what you have to remember? Displacement is also known as substitution. Displacement में what is happening? Can you see? Can you see? ये ए ने बी को लात मारा. कोई भी किसी को लात मार सकता है क्या? नहीं.
नहीं।
ये ए को मोर रिएक्टिव होना पड़ेगा और इसको क्या होना पड़ेगा? लेस रिएक्टिव. नाउ विल से सर हाउ आई विल कम टू नो हु इज मोर रिएक्टिव एंड हु इज लेस रिएक्टिव. So don't worry, beta. I have given a series for this. Reactivity series we call it. We call it as what, beta? Page number 4 in my big notes. How to remember this reactivity series? करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टो जैन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर प्लेटेड ऑडी. करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टो जैन फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट मर्क्यूरी सिल्वर. मीन्स व्हाट? करीना मीन्स पोटेशियम, सोडियम, कैल्शियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, जिंक. Fe आयरन. फिर भी मीन्स लेड. है मीन्स हाइड्रोजन. क्यूट मीन्स कॉपर. मर्क्यूरी मीन्स Hg. सिल्वर मीन्स Ag. प्लेटेड मीन्स प्लेटिनम Au. देखो ये अंडरलाइन किया ना, एग्जैक्ट सिंबल मिलेगा आपको. ना बेटा इन एग्जाम आई लास्ट विच इज द मोस्ट रिएक्टिव एलिमेंट, तो हु इज एट द टॉप? कम ऑन, पोटेशियम. डोंट राइट करीना. पोटेशियम. हु इज द लीस्ट रिएक्टिव? गोल्ड. नाउ इसमें लॉजिक क्या है बेटा? द अबव वन कैन डिस्प्लेस द लोअर वन बट द लोअर वन कैन नॉट डिस्प्लेस द अबव वन. सो नाउ यू टेल मी, क्या मैग्नीशियम जिंक को लात मारेगा क्या? नहीं बोलो. तो बेटा
हाँ
जो
सर।
लात मारने वाला वो अकेला होना चाहिए. पहला मैग्नीशियम कहां पर है? देखो इधर है. वो अकेला है. यस. जिंक सल्फेट. ओहो जिंक नीचे है कि नहीं बोलो? ओहो, तो जिंक को ये लात मार देगा. तो देख जिंक बाहर आ गया. देखा? मैग्नीशियम हैज डिस्प्लेस्ड जिंक एंड यू गेट मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट एंड जिंक. नाउ सपोज बेटा इफ आई टेल यू कैन जिंक डिस्प्लेस कॉपर, क्या ये जिंक कॉपर को लात मार सकता है? देखो तो जिंक वो अकेला है पहले. यस. क्या ये रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में ऊपर है? यस. और जिसको लात मार रहा है वो नीचे है. यस. तो देख जिंक विल डिस्प्लेस कॉपर एंड यू विल गेट जिंक सल्फेट एंड कॉपर. अच्छा, एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. बेटा कैन आई स्टोर copper sulfate in zinc container? This is my zinc. Okay. And I have written copper sulfate. What is the logic for this? Try to understand. If you want to store any chemical in any container, if you want to store any chemical in any container, then my container should be below in the reactivity series. अब बेटा आप मेरे को बताओ जिंक कहां पर है? ऊपर है. कॉपर नीचे है. तो ये जिंक क्या कर देगा? ये कॉपर को लात मार देगा कि नहीं बोलो? तो अभी ये सोल्यूशन कॉपर सल्फेट होगा क्या? नहीं. इट विल स्लोली बिकम व्हाट? जिंक सल्फेट. सो कैन आई स्टोर कॉपर सल्फेट इन जिंक? से यस और नो? अरे बोलो. नो. अबे कैन आई स्टोर कॉपर सल्फेट इन जिंक? नो ना. अरे मैंने यहाँ पे कॉपर सल्फेट लिया था बट अभी जिंक इसको लात मारेगा कि नहीं बोलो? एंड स्लोली इट विल बिकम व्हाट? Zinc sulfate. So I cannot store. So remember, if you want to store any chemical compound in container, then the container should be a metal which is below in the series, not above in the series. So can I now you only tell me, can I store zinc sulfate in copper container?
Yes sir.
Yeah, suppose if I take here zinc sulfate, can I store it in copper container? If container is copper, yes, because copper is what? Below. It will not displace zinc. Are you getting it? क्लियर है? राइट. अच्छा, नाउ टेल मी बेटा, कैन जिंक डिस्प्लेस हाइड्रोजन? लुक, दिस इज जिंक, दिस इज HCl. तो पहला देखने का, क्या जिंक अलोन है? यस. क्या वो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में ऊपर है? देखो ना Zn यहां पर है. कैन यू डिस्प्लेस H? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
यस. सो यू विल गेट जिंक क्लोराइड एंड हाइड्रोजन. कैन मैग्नीशियम डिस्प्लेस हाइड्रोजन? तो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज देखो, मैग्नीशियम कहां पर है? हो ऊपर है. देखो बेटा, magnesium will displace. Can you see
Yes, sir.
this?
It is above hydrogen.
But can copper displace hydrogen?
No, sir, it's under hydrogen.
हाँ, कॉपर इज बिलो, सो ये नहीं करेगा। तो देखना बेटा, ये रिएक्शन पॉसिबल नहीं है, नॉट पॉसिबल। तो लात मारने वाला ऊपर होना चाहिए, और जिसको लात मारेगा वो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में नीचे होना चाहिए। Now, beta, you know na Karina and Car. Can you see this Karina and Car? They are highly reactive or not, these three. So they will react with cold water. We have done in hydrogen chapter also. They react with cold water or not, tell me.
Yes, sir.
And then the remaining one, they will react with which, what beta? Steam.
First team.
Yeah, or boiling steam. Beta, you remember steam only. Okay. So look, beta. Look, potassium can react with cold water, Carina and Ka, because they are highly reactive. But aluminium, it will require what? Steam. Any difficulty till here? Tell
No,
me.
sir.
Okay. Now, there is a non-metal का भी एक reactivity series है. So what you have to remember? First class biryani I ate. So first means fluorine, class means chlorine, biryani means bromine, I means iodine. एस्टाटाइन आपको नहीं पढ़ना है बेटा। इसमें भी यही लॉजिक है बेटा, अबव वन विल डिस्प्लेस बिलो वन। नाउ सो नाउ टेल मी, कैन क्लोरीन डिस्प्लेस दिस ब्रोमीन? तो ये
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बिकॉज ऊपर है तो ये ब्रोमीन को लात मारेगा, सो लुक ब्रोमीन विल कम आउट। कैन क्लोरीन डिस्प्लेस आयोडीन?
Yes,
क्लोरीन
sir.
ऊपर है, आयोडीन नीचे है, तो बेटा ये क्लोरीन आयोडीन को लात मारेगा। देख आयोडीन बाहर आ गया कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about what your beta displacement reaction. I'm not going to teach आगे का reaction. I wanted you to teach this thing. Today we did what? Combination and what reaction? Displacement. And displacement beta they will ask you many. This is the examiner's favorite question also beta. They will ask this. Look now, where is your? अरे मैंने अभी वो डाउनलोड किया था, कहाँ पे गया? अरे tentative. Mhm. Now this is your AVM का worksheet beta, if you see. Now tell me beta. Don't forget about the balance reaction and all those things. Huh? Look beta. Can you see there are few things here, right? Can you see? An oxide which is yellow when hot, white when cold. So today I made you underline or not? Tell me. Reddish brown color gas, nitrogen dioxide. Remember beta? Yeah, yellowish liquid which is formed and nitrogen reacts with chlorine, nitrogen trichloride. Then Rotanex smell gas. Can you see? Hello. Gas which is Rotanex smell. Then it is what? Hydrogen sulfide. Oxide of copper which is black in color. Copper oxide. Remember na beta? Hello. Decom.
CuO.
Yeah. Now beta look. Can you see this question they have asked? A iron nail is kept in copper. तो चलो बेटा, मैंने कंटेनर लिया है. I have taken container. Then there it is what beta? Iron nail. I have kept in what beta? Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate is which color? Blue color. Copper sulfate. Now tell me, Fe. This is Fe. Right beta? ए करीना ने कार मांगी अल्टोज एंड फरारी, फिर भी है क्यूट। तो नाउ टेल मी, क्या एफी कॉपर को लात मारेगा कि नहीं? बोलो बेटा।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो ये एफी क्या करेगा? कॉपर को लात, तो अभी धीरे धीरे कॉपर एफी इसको लात मारेगा, तो ये कॉपर सल्फेट से क्या बन जाएगा? बोलो ना, स्लोली
The
स्लोली।
blue color will fade.
हाँ, फेरस सल्फेट बन जाएगा, तो ये ब्लू कलर विल फेड। आर यू गेटिंग इट? एंड फेरस सल्फेट का एफी मैंने बताया ना, फेरस का सल्फेट क्या होता है? ग्रीन। तो देख, इट विल
Pale
टर्न
green.
हाँ, पेल, फ्रॉम ब्लू टू पेल ग्रीन। व्हाई दिस हैपेंड? बिकॉज Fe was above in the reactivity series. It will displace it or not? Tell me. Right? So have you understood beta what application question comes? Right now beta? Now, beta, when magnesium react with oxygen, beta, so what you get, beta? Magnesium and oxygen. So it will be a combination reaction or not? MgO. So you're not supposed to write the reaction. But it is magnesium oxide, beta, when you form, it burns with dazzling white flame. It burns with dazzling white flame. Okay? Look, beta, this also combination when ammonia is brought closer to what? Hydrogen chloride. So we did na right now. Hey, what happens when ammonia is brought closer to hydrogen chloride? अरे you get ammonium chloride. Forgot or what? तो अच्छा अमोनियम क्लोराइड का कलर क्या होता है बोलो बेटा? डेंस वाइट फ्यूम्स. सो कैन यू सी बेटा? इट विल फॉर्म सॉलिड अमोनियम क्लोराइड ऑफ डेंस वाइट फ्यूम्स. ये बेटा यहाँ पे था बेटा, ये देखो ना. आई टोल्ड यू और नॉट. लुक 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 हियर इट वाज. Where if I bring ammonia closer to HCl, you get dense white fumes, and dense white fumes में वो solid होगा कि नहीं बोलो बेटा? Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say? So ये अच्छा मैंने रिएक्शन के नीचे ही लिख दिया तो आपके लिए काम आसान हो जाएगा कि नहीं बोलो बेटा? राइट? ओके. सॉरी क्या 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 क्या. Then data they will tell you beta reaction between nitrogen and hydrogen. Just now we did or not? Okay, right? So I have taught you today only two types of reaction. Beta remaining two will do in next class. Okay. What is remaining beta? Decompose effect of heat, huh beta? So that is where decomposition is very important and how to remember them, that also is very important. Clear? Any difficulty till here? Hello. So that's all for today then. Okay? Bye bye everybody.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, sir.